It has impacted my teachers because it has allowed them the opportunity to involve themselves in science activities that they normally wouldn't get a chance to teach.
STEM Excellence Pathway has helped our school. We've been able to form a team and come and get support.
It's just given us a lot of people that we can talk to, a lot of people that we can network with and find information and ideas from.
The STEM Excellence Pathway is a program that the Discovery Network collaborated on with the Carnegie Science Center to help schools evaluate their STEM programming. It includes 3 workshops throughout the academic year, as well as site visits and phone calls that are support from the Discovery Network to help achieve their goals.
The first time that you come to the training, the first thing that you're doing is really evaluating your program and seeing what's working, what's not working. So that's a really good piece, and then you build those collaborative relationships with other schools and then of course with the museum.
It helps you build a plan, and it helps you evaluate the things that you have, evaluate resources that you might not know about before. We learned a lot from coming to your different schools and things that they're already doing and things that we can incorporate and change and make fit with our school.
The STEM pathway has been very beneficial in helping us here at Carver actually get our STEAM program off the ground. It also gives teachers an excitement about teaching STEAM activities, STEM activities.
It's changed our way of thinking about things. We're not as much isolated in our own disciplines. We're trying to figure out ways to make connections for what we're teaching, and then our students are making connections as well.
We're providing the facilitators, we're providing the people that are in the trenches with this programming the tools needed to just completely reevaluate how they teach.
It's very comforting as far as they take you wherever you're at. So if you're at nothing, they say, okay, you're starting here, let's see where you can go from there. If you already have something, they're taking you from there and going on. So it doesn't matter if you have STEM already established, if you don't have STEM established, it's going to guide you from where you are to where you hope to go.
It has been beneficial. The workshops have been awesome. As a result of going through the pathway, that just really helped us to fine-tune what we were going to do for STEAM, and it has directly impacted what we now call STEAM Days here at Carver.
We're using these days as an introductory point of hopefully changing how we teach science at Carver. Without the STEM pathway, we wouldn't have got this started to begin with.
We have these schools coming to us saying, oh my gosh, look what we did with the STEM Excellence Pathway. And they're showing how their students are getting excited about STEM education, and it's not so intimidating. It's just been really exciting to see how successful the program has been and how successful these schools have been with implementing their own action plans.